Delhi Cabinet has cleared law on school fees. This is a new law to regulate school fees. Delhi government's big move on school fees now, and Delhi government in fact has cracked down on the fee hike complaints that have been coming from various quarters. Delhi government has in fact passed the School Fee Act, and this announcement was made by the Education Minister of Delhi, Ashish Sood. And schools under this law cannot increase fees arbitrarily, and this also is after complaints of random fee hikes were received by the Delhi administration.
कि दिल्ली सरकार ने एक ऐतिहासिक और साहसिक फैसला कि आज ड्राफ्ट बिल हमने कैबिनेट में पास किया है, जो कि दिल्ली के सभी स्कूलों में 1677 स्कूल जो प्राइवेट स्कूल्स हैं उनमें फीस को लेकर के पूरा का पूरा गाइडलाइन, पूरा प्रोसीजर तय करेगा। और पहली बार इतिहास में दिल्ली सरकार के द्वारा ऐसा बिल बनाया जा रहा है जो कि अपने आप में फुल प्रूफ है। पूरा प्रोसीजर डिफाइन किया गया, अथॉरिटी डिफाइन गई है, उसमें पेरेंट्स की भूमिका, उसमें स्कूल की भूमिका, मैनेजमेंट की, डायरेक्टरेट की और सरकार की। डीएम्स ने भी अपना पूरा रिपोर्ट बना के दिया, उनका ऑडिट भी हुआ।
My colleague Ishika joins us with more details on this. Ishika, this is a move that all parents of New Delhi will welcome, because private schools charging very high fees, exorbitant fees, was one of the main concerns of parents. Tell us what does this new law say, and how is Delhi government really going to implement this?
Well, in fact, Vasudha, as you rightly mentioned here, if we talk about the parents who were in fact for a very long time holding numerous protests, and they were alleging harassment by the private schools in the name of increasing the fees, and these were arbitrary increases in the fees. So they will finally be, heaving a sigh of relief, because today, if we talk about a very important decision rather has been approved by the cabinet, and that is, a draft bill has been approved by this Delhi cabinet, which will now be regulating the fees even in the private schools. So there are in fact 1,677 private schools which will be regulated under this new bill. Now, as Chief Minister was saying, the roles of the DOE, the DMs, the government, the school authorities, all have been mentioned in these, in this particular bill that we are talking about. Now, let me tell you that, under this bill, there will be certainly a regulation. For the regulation, there will be a committee also that will be formed. This will be a, this will be a committee for 3 years, and there, the participation of both the stakeholders, that is in fact the school authorities and parents, will be ensured. Now, this committee will be there for 3 years, and they will be deciding over the fee regulation. Now, what we also got to know from the Education Minister Ashish Sood is that this, district level committees will be formed on 30th of July, and in 1 month they will be, be submitting a report over this entire fee hike procedure. Also, what has been mentioned very clearly by the government in this new bill is that if any school goes against this committee's orders, they will be in fact charged with a penalty of 10 lakh rupees. So certainly now, in fact, the Delhi government saying that they are in fact taking strict actions on the private schools over the arbitrary fee hike. Over to you.
Right. Thank you, Ishika, for joining us.